Hey guys, it's me, Skyler Capri, and today I'm going to be filming a summer makeup tutorial that's really easy and is perfect for beginners looking to experiment with a little bit of color. So in this video, I will be using the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, which can be purchased at Ulta or on Maybelline's website. I'm pretty sure this retails for around $13, but I will have it linked in the description box in case that is not correct. But this is what the palette looks like. As you can see, there are 4 big shades and 8 smaller shades for a total of 12 shades. And it looks like this. They're mainly warm tone colors, however there is a good variety of shimmery colors and mattes and satins. On the back of the palette, it does give you a few guides for looks. There is Lemonade Pop, Pink Lemonade, and Peach Lemonade, and it does give you ideas on how to create different looks using the colors. But I think this would be a really helpful video for anyone who's starting to experiment with makeup over the summer and maybe needs some guidelines on how to do it with colors. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video, and let's just get started. Alright everyone, so I have already set my eyeshadow primer with the shade Sunnies, which is just a matte cream shade. The eyeshadow primer I use is actually the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 15 Fair, in case you're wondering. And now I'm taking just a big blending brush. This is from Scone, and I'm going to be taking the shade Coral Punch right here, this really pretty corally shade, and just going to be putting that into the crease to start out. Now, I know some people prefer to have a sharper outer corner and put tape down. There's nothing wrong with that. If you want to have a more defined outer corner, go ahead and put tape on before starting the look. But I wanted to go for a more natural, beginner-friendly look today, so there will not be any lashes or liner because this is more catered towards beginners. So now that I have that corally shade down, I will zoom you up so you can see it better. I am going to put it on my other eye as well. Alright, so I have picked up the camera, and this is what the eyeshadow should look like so far. As you can see, the Coral Peach shade is just blended into the crease. Now moving on to the lid, I'm going to be taking this flat shader brush from e.l.f. in the shade Strawberry Lemonade, the sparkly peach shade, and I'm just going to be, not peach shade, the sparkly kind of pink champagne shade, and I'm just going to be applying that to the lid. And then after I apply that, I'll be applying a darker pink shade to the outer corner. So I'm just applying that to the lid. If you really want to intensify the color, you can put down a concealer first or cut the crease out. However, since this is a beginner tutorial, it will be easier and probably use less products to just apply the eyeshadow normally. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to do the other eye, and then I will zoom you up. Alright, so I have applied the eyeshadow, and this is what it looks like so far. So far we have the shade Coral Punch, sorry I had to look down, Coral Punch in the crease, and Strawberry Lemonade on the lid. And you can definitely stop here if you want a more natural look, but now I'm going to be adding an even darker pink shade to the outer corner. Alright, now I'm taking a Luxie 207 medium angled shading brush. Any kind of angled brush will do. I'm dipping into the hot pink shade Ice Pop, and I'm going to be applying that to the outer corner. Now this is a pretty tightly packed and pigmented shade, so you really do not need that much, but you can definitely intensify it to get the desired look. So basically I am focusing that on the outer corner and just kind of buffing it in to get kind of a pink peachy look. And I feel like this look is perfect for summertime, and it's super fun, but it's really easy to do, and the palette is not too expensive. I feel like this palette is probably one of the best that Maybelline has ever come out with. I know that the City Mini palettes were a big hit and that a lot of people really enjoyed the formula, and I also know that they are coming out with another palette that looks very similar to this called the Soda Pop palette. So while this palette is more of a light neutral palette, the Soda Pop palette is more catered toward smoky eyes and deeper colors. So that is what it looks like so far. I'm going to do the other eye, and then I will bring you in closer. Alright, so this is the completed look. So we have used a total of 3 shades And I have already put on mascara. This is the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. I also have done my brows as well, just using the Essence Clear Lash and Brow Gel. Alrighty, so I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and that it was really easy to follow along. I know when I'm following a tutorial and they're using palettes with high prices like Natasha Denona palettes, or they're doing really intricate details and designs, even though it looks really, really awesome, it's not something that I can do with my skill set and the amount of money I'm willing to put into certain palettes to get a desired look. But I hope this was easy enough for you guys to follow. I will also be updating you guys on my YouTube Instagram account. It is Skyler Capri, same as my YouTube, my YouTube username. So if you would like to see video updates, what I'm posting, and maybe just my everyday life kind of activities, make sure to go follow me on there. I would love to follow you guys back and see some of what you guys are posting, what you guys are up to. Also, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please try to keep it positive, but obviously constructive criticism is welcome. Feel free to comment it down below. I love seeing what you guys have to say about looks and that kind of stuff, whether you like it or whether I have to work on my filming quality or the lighting, the time of day which I film. I am always looking forward to seeing your guys' comments. I do read every single one and I do try to respond. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!